Hey, thanks for coming on board. So this is a closed ceiling, but when you're working with drop ceiling, and a lot of times we're hanging cameras and APs and stuff like that. So you're sweating, you're dirty, you have your fingers all dirty. So the first thing is, once we have a ceiling tile, are we gonna go like this, just touch it? And remember that you were pulling cable. So a basic install trick is go like this. So when you're moving your ceiling tiles, you just use your fists because typically those aren't dirty. So you're gonna move it, push it, and go like that. Now when we're hanging APs as well, typically you're gonna have a cable flagger and an RJ45, a little bit of dust thrown at you. So points of failure, sometimes you have biscuit boxes or sometimes the client requests RJ45s. Typically, people want less point of failures, but it's kind of a debate. But once you get your termination point and once you're hanging your AP, once you put up there, there's two things. If you're already touching it like this, what you want to do is you can have a magic eraser, which should be on there. Just clean off the surface, because a lot of times, even in new construction, the end clients or IT people are not going to have a ladder. They don't feel like going up there. So you want to wipe down your AP to make sure that there's no visible dirt or debris, and it just gives an extra touch. Also on the APs, hopefully they have a standard, but you want to label your APs, whether or not it's the drop, whatever the client asks for, AP1, yada, yada, yada. You want to also make sure it's visible from the ground. So if you're in a typical office situation, a 3/4 tape is fine. If you're in a 20-foot warehouse or something like that, you'll get a bigger tape. So again, we're gonna make sure that our ceiling is clean. Use the old fist trick, go up and down. You wanna wipe down your APs. You wanna make sure they're labeled, and then there's no room for, I don't know where I'm going with that.
Error.
Error, good. Thanks very much for watching.